All right, this is the next thing. This is some ammo that I put in there for some resin. Let's see how this turned out. Gosh, it's gonna be hard to get out of here. There we go. All right, there it comes. Come on. Oh, really, really cool. Block of resin with some ammo in it. Look at that. That is really, really cool. Makes a good paperweight. That came out sweet. Awesome. All right, and last but not least, we have this. And this is a bunch of AK-47 ammo and some 22 long rifle ammo. Let's see how this bad boy came out. Man, these things are hard to get out of here. Okay, here we go. Oh, that's so cool. That came out wicked. I should have put some red design in there instead of black. It looked like it was blood. That came out really, really cool, guys. That is so cool. All right, so we got this one, the ammo. We got this little paperweight, which is the ammo again. I kind of like this one too. It's just not as busy as this one, but this one is just solid block. And then I got this one, which is my favorite. Of course, because I love fireworks so much. Minions. Me and my daughter have been practicing a little bit with testing out some resin. And I made a couple things that I thought you guys would think was pretty cool. So I'm going to show you this. This is the first one, which is probably my favorite. I put some firecrackers in there. And let's see how it turned out. Ooh. Wow, that is so cool. It's a coaster. See that? It's a coaster. You can put your glass in there. Nice edges. It's got that whole lip design, so you can put your cup in there. And that's the other side of it. That came out really, really cool. Firecrackers. Pretty smooth, both sides. I love this. I love how this came out. That is so cool. All right, hope you guys like it. I think this one's my favorite because I love how the fuse is actually in the lip of the cup holder. You see it right there? It's actually in the lip, but it's inside. That's wild. Can't wait to experiment and do some more. Look at that. The fuse right there too is right on the lip, and it's inside. So cool. I mean, this came out really, really, really nice. If you bought this in the store, it'd cost you 10, 15 bucks. At least. Maybe even 20. It's got a little bit of air bubbles in there, but not bubbles, but where, you know what I should have done that I didn't? I put the firecrackers in first, and then I poured the resin. And I shouldn't have. I should have poured a little bit of resin, then put the fireworks in. Then you wouldn't have seen this. This is the first time I've ever done this. Experimenting with my daughter. And I'll tell you, this thing came out sharp. Kind of like this side better, but doesn't have any lip. It's just flat. It's clean off. Like it slides right off. So this side has the lip on it. See that lip right there? Really cool though. You guys should try it. I don't know what I'm going to do next, but I'm going to definitely be... Thank you. One of my favorites. It's too tall. That's not going to be a good idea. That sucks. That would have been nice to put a Sammy's Best in one of these. I think I'm going to have to find a bigger one of these and make a Sammy's Best paperweight. That would be cool. All right, guys. Take care. Talk soon.